Hello, good day everyone. My name is Adrian Ramrattan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and configure Asterisk. So, first step, you want to DNF install wget. Next, you want to DNF install -y DNF plugins -core. Step 3, DNF install EPEL release. Next, do a DNS install on enable repo and libedit. Next, DNF config manager set enable CRB. Next, do a yum install chk config. Next, yum install init scripts. So that you want to install Janssen Devil. Now, have I reached this part, I kept getting error message about the version of CentOS that I'm using. So make sure you are using a 64-bit CentOS server so you wouldn't get any errors. Next step, you want to install development tools. And oh yeah, back to this part here with the Janssen Devil. Um, I did a yum install which got me the error, and then I did a DNF. So use DNF preferably. Right? Next, you want to DNF install JIT. Right, and after everything has finished installed, you want to download Asterisk now. So we go to the CD user SRC file, right? And here, so you can use sudo wget to download, but I had to use curl because it wasn't installing in the SRC file. So if I do a ls, here you can see my Asterisk is here. Next, you want to extract that version of Asterisk. So you could do is sudo tar -xvzf and the version of Asterisk, which is this. Extract that. And then you want to go to the Asterisk version file, this version. So let me just copy and paste. All right, we're in this file now, and here we need to install the prerequisite. So contrib scripts install prerequisite install. Copy this command and install it in this file. Next, what you want to do is run this configure command here. This basically makes it to where it gets Asterisk to match with your system. So it wouldn't have any errors in the future. Right? Next up, we want to go back to the SRC file, and we want to download PJ project. So run this command with the link to download PJ project. And this command right here is to extract it. And this command is to go to that file. So if you go to PJ project, yeah, and then you want to run the same line of command here. So to match system preferences. Yeah. I do an ls here, you can see what's all in the file. Right. Next, after doing all that, you want to install, well, make install. So you run this command, make install, make samples, make basic pbx, and make config. After that, I'm going to navigate to the Asterisk file. So cd /c/. Right? If I do an ls here you can see all these files. Right? We want to run this command to add a group task asterisk called, oh sorry, a group called asterisk. And we want to run this command to add users. Next up, you want to run this command here. And then you want to run this command after. Next up, you want to run this command to back up the file. After that, we want to gedit the asterisk file. So I copy this code, paste it. Right. As you can see, there's some code here. So what we want to do is remove the number sign from lines 8 and 9. So here you can see I removed it. Save and exit. Next, we want to enable asterisk, start it, and do a status check on it. If you try to start, well, this happened to me. I tried to start asterisk first, and it couldn't be found. So what I had to do was enable it at first. So if I do a system details, as you can see, it's up and running. Okay, do a Control C, clear this. Oh, next up, you want to add the firewalls and reload it. And next, you want to run this command, sudo asterisk dash r, go here, right? As you can see, a runner's user asterisk running on the group asterisk, and I'm connected to the latest version. Now here, you can set your cores to 4, etc. And if you do, you can do a pj zip show auth and whatever what to get information, username and information to connect to any SIP. Right. Next, I'm gonna Control C to get out of this. And here you want to run this command here, but I'm gonna go back. Oh, never mind. I'm already in the asterisk file. So run this command here, then run this command here as well. And next we want to edit the extensions.conf file. Now, as you can see on lines 7 to 9, I've added this line of code. And yes, okay. So you do it, open square brackets from internal and paste this code here. Save and exit. Next, we want to gedit the pj.sip conf file. Now here, you want to copy all of this code and paste it in here. So if I scroll straight down, so here I pasted it. Right, so what this basically is, 6001 is my user 1, and 6002 is my user 2. So, what I'm going to do with them is use user one to contact user two. Here you can see usernames and password. I've set it simple to remember. Right? Save and exit. Now, what you want to do is go to your client and download micro SIP and install it. So, and after you finish install, this will come up and you're gonna click this drop down arrow and add account. I've already added 6001 and 6002, but what you need to do is here add your account name, your SIP server, username, domain, the login and password, and this my display name is 6001. What you want to do is scroll down and save that, and go to your other client and add your second user to it. But as you can see, I don't have another Windows. I only have my server and Windows 7, so you can try that. But this is basically it for Asterisk. It's kind of difficult to install. I won't lie. So yeah, this is how I got my Asterisk to work. And I hope this video was useful.